So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download VLC Media Player on your Mac. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your PC. Now here search for VLC Media Player. After this, click on this first link which appears. Now here you will get this option called Download VLC. Click on it. And this will download VLC on your Mac. Click on Allow. Now after this, click on this icon. And as you can see here, VLC is being downloaded. Now once the file is downloaded, double click on it. Now once you do this, you will see this window. Now here, drag the VLC icon to the application folder. And this will install the application. Now once the app is installed, close this window. Now to launch VLC Media Player on your Mac, click on this icon. And now you will see this option called VLC. Click on it. Click on Open. Now here click on No Thanks. And this will launch VLC Media Player on your Mac. So this is how you can install VLC Media Player on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.